We're back at Micro Center today where my buddy Dan works, and today it's not Dan helping me, it's Dan versus me. We're gonna see who builds a faster AI and software developer desktop. Let's go. This is Dan right here, and he usually helps me out. Hey Dan.
Hey Alex, always good to see you.
Okay, so here are the rules for the shopping. We get each $1,200 as our budget. So this is gonna be a budget build. It's a little higher than usual because, well, RAM. But if you go over $1,200, it's 1 point deduction for every $25. If you go under by $50, you get an extra point.
Okay. Does it translate to push-ups in any way, shape, or form?
No push-ups this time around, but you can if you want to.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll feel it out. Let's see how it goes.
All right. We each have 20 minutes. When the timer hits 0, we need to have all the parts in the cart. Now here's the thing. After the build, we're doing dev tests, including AI. So we're gonna be giving points for token generation, pre-processing, and the size of the model. All right, any questions?
What counts as cheating?
So Dan works here. He already knows the store inside out, so that's already kind of cheating. The only benefit I have is that I might know how many CUDA cores are in each of the GPUs we might look at.
At the end of the day, we'll see. We might even come up with like very similar machines, so.
Maybe. 20 minutes, ready, set, and go. Wait a minute, are you cheating?
No, I'm looking at the bundles.
Oh.
Is that cheating?
No. I'm gonna start right here because this is the clearance rack and anything in the store goes. So if I get something really cheap over here, I could probably use it.
I think that the first thing I'm going to do is probably lock in a power supply. So, Seasonic 750 watt.
Yeah, this is the RAM. So I gotta tell you, I did not come here totally unprepared. Even though Dan knows the store inside and out, he's here every day. I did look some things up, and I'm not going to be picking and choosing individual parts because, yeah. So I found a bundle, but where do I get that? Let's see. Hey Dan, for bundles, do I just pick the parts and you do that at the register?
Yeah, it all rings up the way you want it to when you're up there.
Okay, cool. Now, one quick stop here. This is the clearance side of the mother wall. I'm just not sure if this is gonna count as part of the bundle. Probably not, but I'm gonna try it.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and look at the clearance rack to probably try to see if I can pick up a good case, but I have in mind to do no more than like $70, $80. So I think I want to look at Montech. There's a specific case I really like from them, the X5, 80 bucks. But it has 4 fans, so it's gonna be a little bit faster than if Alex decided that he wanted to do like a whole blacked out machine.
By the way, March is Monitor Madness at Micro Center, so you can go check out monitor deals. All these monitors are on deep discounts, and look out for the Austin store opening soon. All right, I better get back. Next up, we need a chip. Normally I'd consider Intel and AMD, but after checking out some of the bundle prices, the Intel ones start about $599. AMD ones you can get for 349 bucks. How does this work? They gave me a key, but I don't know how to use it. Hey Dan, can I trouble you for this for a second?
Push the button!
Oh wow, that's cool. I'm gonna go with the 9600X. This CPU is 279 bucks, but you can get the whole bundle with the motherboard and RAM for 349. I think that's worth it.
And let's go and pick up a cooler. Very good air cooler. Thermalright Fearless Assassin 140 millimeter. Should fit nicely in this case at 60 bucks.
Now we need the RAM. We're gonna go with the bundle price, which is 16 gigabyte card. What? This is 16 gigs and it's $400? So I'm glad this is part of the bundle.
Now on to the fun question, which is gonna be our processor, motherboard, and RAM choice. Probably to pick up the 7600X bundle that Micro Center offers, 350 bucks. So let's go ahead and track down the RAM, a motherboard, and the processor. There we go.
What else do I need? We need a power supply and a cooler. So let's go get that. Aha. Power supplies. Now, I don't want to go with something expensive, even though normally I'd get like an 850 at least, but that's for GPUs that are pretty powerful. This power supply right here looks pretty good. It is a bronze though. Let's see if I can get a gold one instead. Here we go, a 650 gold. Maybe it's on sale, I'm hoping.
I guess we do need something in order to run our software and to actually have the operating system installed. This part is brutal. The current market has not been too kind on pricing for anything here. I'm gonna get a 1 terabyte NVMe QN450 and then an extra hard drive, just download the models onto a 4 terabyte spinning disk drive.
GPU, very important. My choices were either go with an RX 9070 from AMD, which is a really good GPU that's got 16 gigs, or go a little bit lower with the nvidia GPU 5070. It's got 12 gigs. Normally I'd say get the one with more VRAM because then you'll be able to run larger models. But the NVIDIA cards run CUDA, which is gonna be really good for machine learning. And they have GDDR7 as opposed to AMD's GDDR6. So that's one generation, extra bandwidth. I think we're gonna do well with this one. Oh, Gigabyte WindForce 649? That's the cheapest one. Let's go with that one. Now I just gotta find it. Oh, here it is, WindForce. So the memory bandwidth here is 670, around there, 680 gigabytes per second. I think that's gonna do really well for token generation.
And then I guess I only really have one more thing I want to pick up, which is going to be the star of the show, our video card. And I'm gonna go with a 5060 Ti 16 gigabyte. There we go. Whoops. Yeah, I like it.
Huh. Not bad, not a bad haul, Dan. You gotta see Sonic 750, a gold PSU, and you think you're gonna be under?
Here's the thing. I'm not worried about this, or this. It's the storage I'm worried about because...
Yeah, whoa. This is a $300 SSD here.
Well, it's on sale right now for $159.
See, these are the kinds of things that I don't know about. What is it?
$1359.
You still have some time left. You can still swap things out.
Yeah.
Do you really need that extra hard drive?
I could save 90 bucks by dropping it. I just don't really want to load everything onto that one SSD.
Now look, this is a terabyte SSD.
Yeah.
The models you're gonna be able to run are gonna be at most like what, 16 gigabytes.
All right. Let's save 90 bucks.
The walk of shame, putting it back.
Yeah, I know. I did this to myself, honestly.
Let's just grab a quick cheap case. Anything here on discount? This one's 79 bucks, now 63. Oh, there's more cases in the front. Let's go check it out. Quick. 89, 199, 99, 99, 89, 79, 74. You know what? If I have to do some push-ups, I will. 75 bucks for this one. That's not where the case goes. I want to be super dumb. We need a cooler. These are always really good, really easy, and I've had like 5 of these.
I'm gonna go from a 750 watt gold to a 650 watt bronze.
Now wait, before you put that back, you could do 100 push-ups.
Do you guys want to see me faint? No, I'm kidding.
We might be here a while if he does that. Or you can just go with a cheaper power supply. Easy.
I feel like if I do the 70 push-ups, people are gonna be a lot more entertained. So how about I do the 70 push-ups? Okay, I'll make it a little easier for myself. I'll switch to that other power supply, save $30, and then I only have to do 40 push-ups. MSI has a 650 watt bronze. There it is, $69.99. Nice.
Quick math, 1,148. Oh wait, the case. Oh, 75. I'm $23 over 1,200 and I need to do 23 push-ups. Or I can just take a point deduction. Wait a minute, I got an idea. I don't want to do push-ups today. I'm lazy, so I'm gonna just take a cut on the power supply. I'm gonna go with this power supply.
My timer says I have 6 minutes. If I can't give you 40 push-ups in 6 minutes, that'll be very embarrassing.
You're gonna do them now?
Yeah, why not?
All right, let's do it.
I have time for it.
I don't know, I'm not counting. Are you counting?
Yep.
Okay.
10.
That's like 5. Oh boy, he's been working out. He's been practicing. He knew I was coming.
Yeah, it's a guarantee that I'll have to get into some sort of like physical strain. 10 left.
Wow, you're doing pretty good. This makes me think, what should I upgrade my choices? I don't know. Hey, you did it.
So I'm gonna be double sore.
Double sore.
I did this for you guys.
Totally worth it.
All right, I think I'm good.
This kind of worries me because your GPU has more memory than mine. All right, we'll figure it out. Okay, 1,199.
How do we do? Oh,
And I'm still under my time. I got 2 minutes left.
you're gonna need those 2 minutes.
Why?
You want the bundle for 350, right?
Yeah.
We gotta change this one to the 7600X and this one to the B650 board from Asus. And you forgot one more thing.
Oh no, what did I forget?
Storage.
Oh no! All right, hurry up. Okay, something real cheap. Let's go with a really small one here. Normally I would not recommend something like this. You know what? I can't even do this. 256 is just not enough. I'm sorry.
512.
This looks like a nice cheap drive. It's 99 bucks, but I think it's actually on sale. Wait, is it this one? Is this the motherboard, Dan?
I already put one on there for you.
Oh, thank you. Dan is helping me. Appreciate that, Dan. Dan finished earlier. He's got the home turf advantage.
It's only fair that I step in to help.
What about this? Do I still need to swap this?
I already swapped it.
7,600. So, here we go. Full system. And that's the timer.
Literally just beat it. So you're 25 over.
25 over still? I'm doing the push-ups. I'm not taking the hit. Wait a minute. For every $25 over, it's 1 point deduction. But if I do one push-up, I'm gonna be under. Done. I'm down to...
I didn't. I feel robbed.
Hey, sometimes you gotta play the game, you know? Also, I have a feeling that this GPU might be even cheaper.
Yeah, member pricing, which just means you have a phone number at Micro Center, you've like shopped here before, sometimes you get some deals. So this guy goes from $649 to $599.
So you already factored that in the price? I'll do the rest of the push-ups.
There we go.
All right.
Justice.
1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't done these for a while.
I feel like this is deserved after that gift he gave me.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Sorry, gift he didn't
15,
give me.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many more?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're done. Next comes the test. Wait, do we have the same cooler?
I did the bigger version.
I feel kind of robbed.
Hey, totally unnecessary to be honest. You can cool these things with like a cooler half the cost of what either of us chose. I just really wanted the push-ups.
Why didn't you tell me that? I could have picked a cheaper cooler.
This is my gift to you.
All right, it's a good early morning workout.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go build this and then we're gonna come back and do some tests. This is Dan's computer. He's got the bigger cooler. This is my puny cooler, but look at my fans. The way we know this is Dan's is he's got the 5060 and I've got the 5070, but mine doesn't say it. My computer screen is on top, Dan's is on the bottom here. And this model download is taking a while. So Dan is definitely winning on the model downloads. I wanna make sure I didn't get cheated so that they didn't give you any kind of special treatment because you are a Micro Center employee. So,
yeah.
You know, they didn't slip you a 9700 or something. It is a Ryzen 5 7600X and so Dan's both have 16 gigabytes of physical RAM installed. So we've got 12 cores there and 12 here, and they look about the same. This is gonna be the big deciding factor. My GPU has 12 gigs of memory, and Dan's GPU has 16 gigs of VRAM. So we got the single core test that we can do. Let's do that right now. Yeah. And we can do a multi-core test. We're gonna start with speedometer for the single core score. Dan, you ready? We're gonna click the start button. That's all it is.
I'm ready.
It's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Okay, I got it.
Hey, you started first.
I listen for 3, I go 3. It's my Counter-Strike player instincts, you know?
We're getting 1 point for every one test, but you have to beat by 3%.
That's interesting.
What is, come on.
That's very interesting.
All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. Now this tests JavaScript, which is a single core operation, and I cannot believe this. This is just not cool. I mean, even more this time.
I wonder if it's because of my bigger cooler.
The bigger cooler is doing this? I mean, the CPUs are identical.
The CPUs are identical.
RAM, the motherboards are identical. Last one. I did not expect to lose this one. This is just not a good start for me. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, big money.
Oh, wow.
Hey, look at that. I'm catching up. Maybe I just needed a little bit of warm-up time. So you won 2 out of 3.
No, I won 3 out of 3.
I
won
no,
3.
That's not 3% though.
Well, yeah, it's not 3%.
Okay, you get 1 point. This is not looking good for me for the multi-core test then.
I mean, look, it could all end up going your way on that one. This is weird.
I don't know. This is the Mandelbrot test, the test that I usually do for multi-core because it activates all the cores on the computer. The measure command is just a PowerShell commandlet to let us measure the time. 1, 2, 3, go. We're not gonna see anything on the screen. It's not as fun to watch as the other one.
I don't know, this is pretty thrilling to me.
Yeah?
I'm having the time of my life.
Would you rather watch this or the download screen for the models?
Man, I'd rather watch this than anything. honestly. You know what? Even Doom's like music or the intro stuff is nowhere near as exciting as this. Exactly. Oh, you can actually hear the computers right now.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, you can hear them working.
Oh wow, the fans are kicking up. Look at that. We are neck and neck here. Those are milliseconds, so 43 and 43.
So lower is better, right?
But no, I mean, yeah. Come on, that's just milliseconds. That's not even within 3%.
Are you sure?
I don't know. You want to check it on a calculator? This is 43,283 for Dan, 43,504 for my computer. I'd say they're within 3%.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do the math on that. I'm not that impressive.
All right, one more time.
Oh man.
And boom. Want to check out the CPU activity. Oh yeah, that's definitely pushing them. Hey, I beat you this time. This is my first official win by 500 milliseconds.
Yeah, but remember that's not 3%, so.
That's right. We're gonna call this one a tie. We're gonna start things off with a smaller model. Qwen 3.59 billion is a dense model, and it's only 6.1 gigabytes on disk, so that should be plenty of room on both of these machines to run this model just fine. We're gonna do a quick hello prompt, and let's go, boom. Ooh.
Interesting. Guys, I think I won by more than 3% there.
This is my screen.
Yeah, I thought for 1.8 seconds. You thought for 4.
What? No, you're looking at the wrong number.
Am
my
I?
friend, yes. Thought for 4 seconds doesn't mean anything.
No?
You want to look at this number, this little clock number,
okay,
which is time to first token, and yours is actually better. But look at this, tokens per second. 56.71 for Dan and 77 for Alex. That is a clear win by over 3%. I'm gonna claim this victory right now.
I only claim speed, not quality.
Let's try a bigger prompt. This is a medium web application architecture prompt that I often use. Design a scalable web application architecture, blah, 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 and go. So it's thinking, I wanna take a look at Task Manager to see what's happening with that GPU though. Yours is still actively working, mine is done already. I wonder what that means. So this model is clearly still quite a bit under the limit for both of these machines.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the results here. Again, yours is faster at time to first token, but mine, again, beats you at tokens per second. Generation failed. What? We're gonna just not look at this part because that doesn't matter.
Leave a comment saying if I should get the point for that or not. I'm gonna hold my my tongue.
I mean, clearly mine is way faster than yours, so
yeah.
I don't know. All right, we're gonna try a different model now. Let's go to the bigger one, GPT OSS 20B. This one is even gonna take a while to load. Mine might not load at all because this model is gonna demand quite a bit more than what my GPU has available. So let's see what happens here. I think that loaded.
Yeah.
So this is a mixture of experts model, so it should be just as fast. Let's pop open a new chat here and use that same prompt. All right, boom.
You didn't even do a countdown for that one.
The system memory is actually quite high here on both machines. But yours looked like it did dip into the CPU for that processing too, as well as the GPU. You can see that right there, there's a spike, and here there's a spike. Same with me. The GPU utilization was pretty low on my machine, but it looks like the CPU also kicked in there. Let's take a look at the results here. Oh, wow.
So not only was I faster,
yeah,
I generated a lot more tokens per second.
Things didn't go quite as planned for me. I'm gonna have to rethink my life choices here.
So it's going to become my channel going forward, which means I need to become a Mac guy too now, right?
Well, you need to cover a lot of things if you want to take over the channel, but that's not happening. So just to review, I got a measly 40 tokens per second here, and Dan got 74 tokens per second. The only way I can explain that is that I had a lot more spillover to the system memory than Dan's machine. That 16 gigs of memory on the 5060 Ti, if you're gonna be running a model like this size, it's gonna be useful. Smaller models, you should be okay with the 5070. You should be faster with this 5070, but bigger models, you're gonna need more RAM, more VRAM. That's always a thing, more VRAM.
Even for gaming, more VRAM will make you happier for more years to come.
Dan, congratulations. I submit to your powers of choosing the right component.
At the end of the day, yours looks cooler, and I think that wins in my book.
Well, I appreciate that. Very kind words, Dan, but it's performance that matters here in the end, and performance is what you got and what I did not. So next time I'll do a little better.
Next time.
Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, Dan.
Of course, thanks for coming in, Alex.
See you next time, guys.
See y'all.